Welcome to the top 5 omega-3 fatty acid foods for diabetics. Have you heard about the heart-helping, diabetes-fighting powers of omega-3s? What are they exactly? Why do doctors say you should get more of them into your daily diet? And what are the best, most nutrient-packed sources of this type of fat for you, especially if you are currently managing erratic glucose levels? Well, let's explore the top 5 omega-3 foods for diabetics. First, you're probably wondering, what are omega-3 fatty acids really? And why are they considered to be good fats? Let's take a quick look at the big benefits of omega-3s. Right off the bat, this healthy fat actually helps you reduce harmful cholesterol. Omega-3s, especially eicosapantenoic acid, or EPA, and docosahexaenoic acid, or DHA, can improve lipid profiles by lowering triglyceride levels. They can also help to increase your levels of HDL cholesterol. That's the good kind of cholesterol that helps to remove artery clogging LDL cholesterol from your blood. Improved lipid levels can lead to better cardiovascular health, a major plus for diabetics. Next, regular consumption of omega-3s has been shown to lower blood pressure. They do this by promoting the production of nitric oxide inside your body. This tiny molecule is a huge plus for your cardiovascular health, as it helps to relax and dilate your blood vessels. In turn, this reduces the resistance your heart must pump against, which lowers your blood pressure. Your blood pressure is also aided by the fact that omega-3s help to improve your endothelial function, or the strength of your arterial lining. Plus, omega-3s can make your blood less sticky and more fluid. That works to minimize your risk of developing blood clots, and it also helps your heart to pump blood through your arteries with less needed pressure. Oh, and we shouldn't forget to mention that omega-3s have also been found to reduce the production of angiotensin II, a substance which causes blood vessels to constrict. This further aids your blood pressure and your arterial health. But omega-3 fats aren't done there. They also contain anti-inflammatory properties. Reducing chronic inflammation is critical for lowering your risk of developing atherosclerosis, or fatty plaque buildup in your arteries. That can help to reduce your risk of heart attacks and strokes. What else can omega-3 fats do? Well, research further shows that these wondrous fats may also work to modulate the activity of your sympathetic nervous system. By stabilizing electrical activity in your heart, omega-3 fats may reduce the risk of arrhythmias or potentially life-threatening irregular heartbeats. And if you are worried about insulin resistance or weight gain, guess what? Omega-3s have your back. That's because studies further show that they may help to reduce liver fat, which is often linked to insulin resistance and poor blood sugar control. And research has further concluded that omega-3 fats have the ability to influence hormones related to your appetite regulation. This means getting appropriate portions of omega-3 fatty acids can help to fill you up and potentially improve your weight management. But oh no, we're not quite done with the impressive powers of omega-3s, because overall, these fatty acids are actually vital components of your cell membranes. Therefore, they influence your cell signaling and cell function, which can increase the efficiency of your body's glucose metabolism. In the end, all these benefits have been shown to add up to one amazing outcome. Omega-3 fatty acids can dramatically improve your insulin sensitivity. So, now that you know why this type of fat is actually critical for blood sugar control and heart health, you must be wondering, what are the best omega-3 foods for diabetics? We'll reveal our top 5 in just a moment. First, can you do us a quick favor? Like this video, subscribe to Diabetes Smarts, and please tell us your thoughts and suggestions for the best diabetes fighting diet. Commenting below helps our channel grow. Alright, it's now time to show you the top 5 omega-3 foods for your blood sugar. Starting with the most obvious choice, fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, sardines, trout, and tuna. You really can't go wrong with any of these seafood options. Fatty fish are one of the planet's best sources of omega-3 fatty acids, especially the specific omega-3s EPA and DHA. But they also give you other powerful diabetes-fighting benefits. And of course, they are a great place to get your protein. Did you know? Protein not only helps you build muscle, it also slows your digestion. This means it can aid both your post-meal blood sugar levels and your long-term insulin resistance, as more muscle mass means heightened insulin sensitivity. It's also a main reason why research shows that consuming an appropriate serving of fatty fish can aid your satiety, meaning it can help you feel full and minimize your chances of over-consuming other less healthy foods, thereby benefiting your weight management. Plus, fatty fish give you important antioxidants, including vitamin D and selenium. Selenium can lower inflammation and oxidative stress in your body. Vitamin D strengthens your bones and teeth. It may also aid your insulin secretion. Coming up, we'll show you which foods give you the specific omega-3 fat known as ALA, and why that can be your new favorite diabetes-fighting weapon. Next, let's stay in the sea for seaweed. If you aren't a fish fan, you can still get your omega-3s fresh from the ocean with this aquatic plant, which, thanks to its fatty acids, has been associated with lower cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Of course, as it is a plant, seaweed also holds a good portion of dietary fiber, especially soluble fiber, that slows the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream and can help you avoid a post-meal blood sugar spike. Plus, seaweed contains a variety of powerful antioxidants, including copper, iron, manganese, and riboflavin, plus modest amounts of vitamins A, C, E, and K. These vitamins and minerals can work together to provide many benefits for your body, including helping to improve your insulin sensitivity. Manganese specifically has been shown to play a role in insulin secretion, and riboflavin is a key component of certain enzymes involved in glucose metabolism. Seaweed also supplies excellent plant compounds, including flavonoids and carotenoids, which have been shown to protect against oxidative stress. And some types of seaweed, especially brown algae varieties, contain a unique carotenoid called fucoxanthin, which has been shown to fight free radical damage. It may also help reduce your risk of chronic diseases like cancer, obesity, and diabetes. Now let's get out of the water and head to the forest, where we'll find chia seeds and flax seeds. Seeds, especially flax and chia seeds, are loaded with alpha-linolenic acid, a type of omega-3 fat that has been extensively studied. In fact, ALA has been shown to exhibit anti-inflammatory effects that can improve your body's ability to respond to your insulin. ALA also has antioxidant properties, which can help protect your cells from diabetes-related, cancer-causing oxidative stress. Plus, ALA has been found to reduce both triglycerides and artery-clogging LDL cholesterol. Meanwhile, chia seeds and flax seeds are a great source of soluble fiber, thereby aiding your body's digestion and absorption of carbohydrates. Their fiber content can also aid your gut microbiome, which can work to improve your glucose metabolism while decreasing other diabetes-related complications. What may be our favorite plant-based source of omega-3 fatty acids? The answer is coming up next. But first, for more omega-3s, it's not just about seeds. You can also go nuts with walnuts. Many nuts, especially walnuts, are also a wonderful source of alpha-linolenic acid and can therefore work wonders for your blood sugar regulation. Walnuts are also famous for their plant-based protein, which you know by now is another wonderful tool for slowing your digestion and increasing your insulin sensitivity. Of course, they are also a great source of dietary fiber, which further aids your post-meal blood sugar and overall diabetes management. Plus, walnuts are loaded with anti-diabetes, pro-heart health antioxidants, including vitamin E, melatonin, and polyphenols. These can all work to reduce oxidative stress in your body, thereby improving your glucose regulation. All told, studies show that walnut consumption may reduce your fasting insulin levels, strengthen your endothelial function, and improve your HDL cholesterol while lowering your LDL cholesterol, which all work together to improve your cardiovascular health as well as your insulin sensitivity. Finally, let's land in Brussels for some Brussels sprouts. While they grow freely in the Mediterranean region, it is true that these delicious green sprouts are believed to have originally been cultivated around Brussels, Belgium, in the mid-16th century. Naturally, this is another plant food that can give you a good amount of those essential omega-3s, along with glucose-stabilizing dietary fiber. Brussels sprouts are also rich in other powerful micronutrients, including folate, vitamin C, and vitamin K. Actually, get this. A serving of Brussels sprouts can give you over 90% of your daily recommended intake of vitamin K. This antioxidant aids bone strength and blood clotting, and it has been associated with reduced inflammation and improved insulin sensitivity. Vitamin K also helps to prevent arterial calcification, a big plus for your cardiovascular health and glucose control. Meanwhile, Brussels sprouts also give you glucosinolates, which can help to increase certain antioxidant enzymes that aid your body's detoxification processes, particularly in your liver. This can work to fight free radical damage and oxidative stress. In fact, a 1997 study published in the journal Cancer Letters revealed that regular consumption of Brussels sprouts was found to significantly reduce oxidative DNA damage in the body. This helps your body fight diabetes-related cellular stress and internal inflammation. So, get more omega-3s in your life with these 5 incredible anti-diabetes, pro-heart health foods.